So yes, my people, we're here at Sansan Beach, just enjoying the real Portland beauty. Look at it. Really nice, isn't it? As you can see there, some water sports that can be had nearby. Quite a few villas are in this vicinity as well. And to the right is the Monkey Island. Water here at Sansan Beach is very clear, very nice. It's not cold at all. I thought it would be much colder than this, but it's not cold. All in all, it's a nice beach. As you can see, the sun, nice and white. Almost goldish though. It's not as white as you would find at 7 Mile Beach in Negril. The sun. The gold sun, not as white.